Send this to the girl who will always be there for you. This first graph has a horizontal line at y equals -5 and y equals 5, and then we have a vertical line at x equals 1. This next graph right here is made up of 3 graphs. These two are semicircles. The first one is a semicircle that's over here. This one is a semicircle that's over here. And then we have the absolute value function on this restricted domain, which looks like this. Here we have the cosine, and the cosine has a restricted domain of -pi to 3 pi, which looks like this. Over here, we have the absolute value graph, which looks like this, and then y equals x, which looks like this. Down here, we have a cubic relationship of x with respect to y. That's going to look like this. Here we have the vertical line y equals 0, but on this restricted range of -5 to 4. And then we have this small circle whose radius is 1, and it's centered at 0, this. Over here is the same graph as the one you just saw earlier. Now, over here we have the vertical line, x equals -1, and the horizontal line, y equals +3. Over here we have a polar graph of this circle, r equals 5. It's a circle of radius 5, but on this restricted domain, it's going to look like this. And then we have the line y equals 0.5 on this restricted domain, which looks like this. Finally, we have a vertical line. This vertical line is at x equals -2, and we have a radical graph which starts at -2, +4, which looks like this.